Extreme altitude breaks the standard rules of commercial maintenance. At 40 stories up, contractors are operating in a completely different physical environment. These structures require frequent surface restoration because of their prominent scale. A dirty or degrading facade projects structural decay for miles across the skyline. This diagram illustrates the primary environmental threat. Smog and gas emissions rise continuously from street level, accumulating heavily against the upper floors. When precipitation mixes with these dense pollutant layers, the resulting chemical runoff etches deep weathering lines directly into the building's exterior finish. Beyond the chemistry, contractors must navigate severe crosswinds that complicate the basic logistics, like moving the crews, rigging the heavy tools, and applying liquid materials. Consistent application of protective coatings serves as a vital structural defense to counteract this accelerated high-altitude weathering. Operating at extreme heights requires a strict three-tiered safety protocol to protect workers on the ropes, occupants inside the building, and the public down below. The primary tier covers the crew. This mandates specialized high-altitude operational training, load-tested equipment, and dedicated emergency support teams stationed nearby. The second tier protects tenant health. As this schematic shows, contractors select specific non-toxic coatings and solvents to block hazardous fumes from penetrating interior workspaces. The third tier addresses public safety. From the upper floors of a skyscraper, a dropped hand tool or loose piece of masonry accelerates into a lethal projectile by the time it reaches street level. To eliminate this ground-level risk, crews implement strict zero-drop zones below the operational footprint and utilize specialized, fully tethered tool handling procedures. A rigorous safety plan must encompass both the internal population and external foot traffic to prevent severe, compounding liability risks. Traditional scaffolding simply fails at these extreme elevations. Reaching the target surface requires heavy-duty access engineering and specialized rigging. This breakdown shows the swing stage method. Roof-mounted, load-bearing anchors suspend cable-hung platforms across the facade. For complex geometries, crews deploy an abseiling setup. This direct rappelling technique relies on independent personal fall arresters and secondary safety ropes completely separate from the primary line. Before any rigging begins, inspection teams must map and neutralize all proximity electrical hazards, ensuring workers maintain a safe distance from active power lines. Once access is secured, crews execute tedious surface cleanups, apply precise elastomeric waterproofing, and final protective coatings. High-rise painting demands the flawless, simultaneous management of extreme altitude, unpredictable weather, and gravity.